In a secluded village surrounded by dense, ancient woods, lived a girl named Lyra. Lyra was a mystery to all who knew her, for her hair was like no other. It was impossibly long, cascading in deep waves to the forest floor, a rich, dark shade that seemed to absorb the light. Her hair was rumored to have a life of its own, moving with a silent whisper when no wind stirred. Lyra was a quiet girl, often found wandering the edges of the village, her hair trailing behind her like a shadow. The villagers spoke in hushed tones about her, sharing stories of how her hair had strange powers. Some said it could heal, others claimed it could curse. Despite the rumors, Lyra remained a gentle and kind soul, albeit a lonely one. One crisp autumn evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Lyra ventured deeper into the forest than she ever had before. The air was thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, and the trees seemed to close in around her. She felt a pull, an unexplainable urge to keep walking. Her hair whispered against the leaves, creating a soft, almost musical sound. As she walked, Lyra came upon a clearing bathed in the silver light of the full moon. In the center of the clearing stood an ancient tree, its gnarled branches reaching towards the sky like skeletal fingers. At the base of the tree, a faint glow emanated from a small, intricately carved wooden box. Curiosity piqued, Lyra approached the box. It was adorned with strange symbols that seemed to shift and change under her gaze. Tentatively, she reached out and touched it. The box opened with a soft click, revealing a single, delicate silver hairpin. The hairpin was unlike anything Lyra had ever seen, shimmering with an otherworldly light. As she picked up the hairpin, a voice echoed through the clearing, soft and melodic, yet tinged with sadness. Lyra, my child, you have found the hairpin of enchantment. It holds great power, but also great responsibility. Use it wisely, and it will guide you. Startled, Lyra looked around but saw no one. The voice seemed to come from everywhere and nowhere. Clutching the hairpin, she felt a warmth spread through her fingers and up her arm. Her hair responded, shimmering and moving more fluidly, as if it had been awakened. For the next few weeks, Lyra experimented with the hairpin, discovering its various abilities. When she wore it, her hair could mend broken objects, heal wounds, and even communicate with animals. However, she also sensed a darker side to its power. If she wasn't careful, the hairpin could bring about destruction, feeding off her negative emotions. One night, a terrible storm descended upon the village. Lightning split the sky, and thunder rumbled like an angry beast. The river that bordered the village began to swell, threatening to flood the homes. The villagers, in their panic, turned to Lyra, believing she could save them with her mysterious hair. Lyra, determined to help, stood at the edge of the raging river. She placed the hairpin in her hair and felt its power surge through her. Her hair extended, creating a barrier against the floodwaters. The villagers watched in awe as the river's fury was held at bay by the shimmering wall of hair. But the storm was relentless, and Lyra felt her strength waning. The hairpin's power was immense, but it demanded a toll. She could feel the darkness within it, whispering to her, tempting her to give in. Summoning all her willpower, Lyra focused on the light, on her desire to protect her village. With a final surge of energy, she managed to divert the river back to its course, saving the village from disaster. Exhausted, she collapsed on the river bank, her hair returning to its normal state. The villagers rushed to her side, their gratitude palpable. As Lyra recovered, she realized the true nature of the hairpin's power. It was not just a tool, it was a test. A test of her strength, her resolve, and her heart. She knew she had to learn to balance its light and dark sides to use it wisely. In the months that followed, Lyra became the village's guardian, using her enchanted hair to help those in need while guarding against the hairpin's darker temptations. Her hair, once a source of mystery and fear, became a symbol of hope and protection. And though the forest still whispered its secrets, Lyra walked its paths with confidence, knowing she was destined to be its keeper. The villagers no longer spoke of her in hushed tones but with admiration and respect. Lyra, the girl with the long, mysterious hair, had become a legend in her own time, her story intertwined with the magic of the ancient woods she called home. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.